Hello viewers, welcome to Ajani Media and Designs. I hope you are all in good health condition. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way to download media from various social media available across the internet. So this method will show you the best way to download this media to your phone gallery so that you can watch them or you just view them at any time offline. Downloading media from social media requires some application that you have to download from Google Play Store. Now if I go to Google Play Store here and search for video download app, so you can see if you should type video download, just type in based on the previous search. You can see the number of the very recent searches that people have made on this Play Store, which I can select from here, or I type video download app, just straightforward. So this one will come up with different various applications that people have downloaded, and some of them will work fine. You can see a whole lot of download here, 100 million plus just for video downloader only. So this method I'm going to show you, we only use your browser to download video from any social media without you installing these applications. So this thereby you are going to reduce the number of storage space that this application will consume on your phone, so that you can have your memory to save a lot of videos or even music to your phone. So you can just uninstall all this application from your phone and install only your browser to the media to your phone from your various social media. So let's first of all go to Facebook now. If you go to Facebook here, one of the social media are available. As you can see here now, I'm on Facebook. You can see pictures, you can see videos available. Sometimes when you're scrolling, you may come across pictures that you like, that you want to save. Let's say, for example, now we have a picture here. It is very easy for you to save a picture in this way. So just need to tap on the picture, and then when you tap on picture at the top here, your phone. So with this, you save this image to your phone. But that is not the case with video. So you cannot use the same method to save video your phone. So let me tap on video tab now and see some videos available here which I might need to download. So as you can see here, I can see some videos here. So I cannot just tap on these videos and say, okay, save to my phone. So because I'm a sport lover, I like sport very well. So let's say I have these videos now. I like this video and I need to save it to my phone gallery so that I can watch it anytime. So when you tap on these three dots here, so you will see copy link. So if I click on copy link of this video, so then browser, I'm going to open the browser now. So I'm going to open the browser. Here you can see that when Mozilla load now, I'll just need to paste this the link I've copied from Facebook into a particular web address. So to download Facebook video, we need to go to this web address. So we're going to type it and type getfvid.com. That stands for getfacebookvideo.com. So just type that URL, getfvid.com. So you go to that website. So this website will load now. As you can see, it will take you to this place, because you can see here, Facebook video downloader. Download videos from Facebook. Then the URL that I've copied before, just need to tap here and paste that URL and click on download. So when you click on download, as you can see, it will come up. We can see the video is here now. You can select the quality that you want to download. Either you want to download the high definition quality or just normal quality, or you want to download it as audio. So let's click on download as HD quality. So as you can see now, it will now play this video here now. As you can see, So at this point now, you just need to tap and hold on this video and you select to save to device. Click on that, so immediately you see that the video will begin to work. You can pause this one. So immediately the video will begin to what? Download to your phone immediately. So you can see, you can tap it, you can see here now, it's already downloading. So that's how the video will be downloaded to your video. So when it's finished, it will give you a prompt here that a video downloaded and you want to view it. That is about Facebook there. So you can just go back here. So you can go back and the video will be downloaded to your phone. You can see now only your browser. You don't need to install any application from Google Play Store to do that, for just a browser to do that. Now let's go to the next social media. Let's go to Instagram. Now I'm going to open an Instagram here. So Instagram is not like Facebook. Why it is very easy for you to download media from Facebook in terms of picture. It is not the same with Instagram. This is one of my picture at work here. So during the COVID time. So assuming that I want to save this picture, there's no option for me to tap and click on save to device. So Instagram will not allow us that feature. There's a way by which you can download this media to your phone using a website. So to do this, you see a 3 dot at the top here. When you tap on that, you will see copy link. So tap on that to copy link of this image. And let's go back to our browser again. So at this point, we're going to type a web address called downloadgram. So you see downloadgram.com, downloadgram.com. Just click on go. So go to that web address. As you can see, this is web address. So at this web address, you can download Instagram photo, video, IGTV, reel, whatever available on the Instagram. So here you can download. So you just need to tap here and paste the link copy from Instagram. It might be for video, it might be for image. So then tap on download. So it will load. If it is not working, you can say refresh this page. Just tap here and refresh this page. Sometimes it might ask you to reload the page in order to download. So just need to refresh. You can see now it has been refreshed and giving you what? Download image. So just click on that download image and see the image will be downloaded to your feed. As you can see, download this image with this size. Just click on download and immediately it will be downloaded to your phone gallery. So that is for social media. So you can do this for Instagram rather. So you can do the same thing for video. Assuming that I have some other videos that I may need to download here. Let's say, for example, let me see a particular video. One of our previous videos here. Let me see one here. I want to download the same way you downloaded this. You can do the same thing there. So let me click on this one. It's one of my previous tutorial that how to install Android app so on your phone without using Google Play Store. This is the video. This is an IGTV videos. So you click on the 3 dots at the top here. The same way is click on copy link, and then when the link is copied, so I'm going to reload the page now on a different tab. So when it's load, then we'll paste that link here, the link of the video. Then we'll paste it here and click on that download. So and it will load. As you can see, immediately give us what? Download video. So we click on that download video. So it's going to come up with the preview of the video, as you can see. So it's giving us the preview here. So from this preview here, just need to tap and hold and then click on save to device. That's all. So that's how to save this Instagram video or Instagram image to your phone. So we have done that of Facebook, we have done that of Instagram. So let's go back, let's go to Twitter. Now, why it is very easy for us to download image from Twitter. So just by clicking on the particular image and click on save to phone. So let's say, for example, let's look for a particular image here. So let's say we have this image. I tap on it. As you can see, the three dots up here, if I click on it, it will ask me save this picture, and if I click on save, it will save the picture to my gallery. But that is not the same with video on Twitter. So for you to download video, let's search for funny video here. Let's search for funny video here. So you search for funny video, and then let's see what it comes up with. So it's loading here now. As you can see, it's loading. So you say, okay, no result, but at least we have some videos here. As you can see, let's see this particular video. For example, if we tap on it and let's play it, so you can see the video is loading. Now, assuming that you like this video and you want to download it, so in order to download this video now, you may need to use a bot. But here you will not use a bot. Just click on this share icon at the bottom here. Tap on that share icon. So, and then from this option that you want to share to where you want to share, then you want to share to various social media. But here rather we just click on copy to clipboard. That is, you want to copy the link of that Twitter video as a link. So having copied that, then we now go to our browser. So we are going to go to a particular web address called savetweetvid.com. As you can see, savetweetvid.com. So type that web address and let's go to the web address savetweetvid.com. As you can see here, we are going to paste the URL, that's the uniform resource locator of that Twitter video, which we have copied, and paste it here and click on download. So when you click on download, so it will now give us the option, the quality available. As you can see here, you want to download it for 848p or 636p or 556p. So you can see the size of each of these quality, or you want to convert it to MP3 audio only and then download. So whatever quality that you want to download, just tap on it. Let's say you want to click on the first one, and then when you click on it, as you can see, it will load the preview, and then from here you tap up on this video and click on save to device. Then that's all. The video will be saved to your phone gallery, where you can watch it at any time offline. Now we have covered Facebook, we've covered Instagram, we've covered Twitter. Now finally we are going to go to YouTube. You can search for our YouTube channel here as well on the YouTube, so where you can connect with us, and also you connect with us on our various social media which we have talked about. Facebook, search for Ajani Media and Design, you can get across to us on Facebook. Search for us on Instagram, you can get to us as well, and then tweet at us at Ajani AG on Twitter, so we'll get back to you. And also here you can come on YouTube and search for us. So just search for Ajani Media and Design. I'm going to take from these recent searches. So then we search for Ajani Media and Design, so you can see us here and you can get across to us on YouTube as well. So while you're on YouTube, let's assume that you have a particular video that you want to download. So you don't need to go to Google Play Store to find a particular application that will do that for you. Just follow the steps that we have been talking about using your web browser only. Now, assuming that this video now is a video that I want to download to my phone gallery so that I can watch it anytime without connecting to the internet. Instead of saving it, so YouTube give us the option to download it to your phone, where you can watch it at any time without internet. But that is not saved to your gallery. You cannot transfer it, you cannot copy it to anywhere. So to save this video to your phone gallery, So you just click on share instead of download. You click on share. When you click on that share, you see option. Do you want to copy link or you want to save share to any of these applications, social media app? So instead, we click on copy link. So when we copy the link, then we open our browser. So when we open our browser, let's open a new tab. All right, now you are going to type this web address y2. I can say y2mate.guru. So it is autocomplete. So type y2mate.guru and go to that web address. So when you go to that web address, here you are going to download this video from YouTube. I can see YouTube downloader, save YouTube videos to your phone. So tap here and let's paste the link that I've copied from YouTube. So don't send. As you can see, the video link that we copy from Facebook is pasted here. I see this option. You want to get the audio, the 360p, or you want to get the HD 720MP. This is in video format. I can see the preview of the videos and the title and even the duration. So from this option available, you can click on download as audio, maybe just only the audio that you want to download for any videos on YouTube. So or you want to download the HD, just tap on any of the quality that you want to download. So when you tap on that, so you're going to preview the video for you before you then download it to your phone gallery. So let's click on that and let's go back here. So as you can see now, that the other tab that open automatically is a redirect option. So you have to go back to the original web address. So I can see here the size of this media is just 4.43 MB, and you can see the title and it gives you the word option download. You just click on download and voila, the video will be downloaded to your phone gallery, and then you can just watch it at any time, any day that you want. So as you have seen now, I've shown you here on how to connect or how to download videos from various social media application available on the internet without you installing any application that do that. So just your browser, then you are good to go. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and also you make sure you connect with us on Facebook. Connect with me on Facebook here as well, and also make sure that you connect with me on my Instagram account. So you can connect, search for Ajani Media and Design. So as you can see, you can connect with me as well on this social media, and including Twitter as well. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, ensure you like this video, share, comment. Then if you're on YouTube, you are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. If you are watching on Facebook, make sure you like this page, and then connect with me as well at various social media. So I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.